Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the web edition of MSW Research Methods. In order to access this edition, you need to go to pressbooks.rampages.us /MSW-textbook. I would recommend bookmarking this in whatever browser you normally use, as well as whatever mobile browser you use, because Pressbooks does work really well in mobile. So the best way to get to any section of the textbook is you can scroll down right here, and this is the table of contents for the book. So as you see, the book is organized into parts. Those parts are organized into chapters, and those chapters are organized into different subsections. So let's say you're trying to look at chapter 2. You click on chapter 2, and you'll be taken to the page for chapter 2. You'll see a chapter outline, so if you wanted to get to the section on feasibility, you can click on that. It'll also tell you how long it's going to take to read each subsection here. If you want to access the table of contents quickly, you can click on Contents in the top left corner, and again, you see the same menu of the table of contents on the right here. One other thing to note is, let's say you are pretty far down on a page, you're on section 2.3, and you need to access that table of contents again, or maybe you need to search for a term inside of the entire book. You hit that up button, and it gets you right up to the top where you can access the contents menu, as well as this right here. So let's say you wanted to search for logic. So we have some results for logic inside of the textbook. So if we click on that, it'll take us to the qualitative analysis section that deals with some of those terms. If you wanted to, on the other hand, just search inside of the page, you can just click Find in Page or Find inside of whatever browser that you're currently using. So those are the two ways to look for various key terms inside of the text. Other than that, it's mostly just scrolling down through the text until you reach the end of a chapter. And you'll know you reach the end of a section when you get to things like key takeaways and exercises, and then you'll have the references at the end of each chapter. One other last thing to note is you can go to the next chapter by clicking these icons in the bottom right or bottom left for quick navigation. Hope this has been helpful, and I hope you enjoy the book. Thanks.